Okay, this is the western side of Zamboanga City. We're seeing now, I'm not sure if this is Labuan, San Ramon, maraming barko, o Talisayan o Recodo, maraming fishing boats. So, in 10 minutes,
to landing station.
landing station na, tinatawag na yung mga cabin crew for smooth touchdown. Daming barko. Alamin ko nga kung anong part of Zamboanga etong maraming barko rito. So ang laki pa ng lupa ng Zamboanga. Sa development naman, nasa east side of Zamboanga City yung going to Dipolog. Ang Dipolog going to Ipil ang development, maraming commercial buildings tinatayo ron. So eto na, few minutes, 10 minutes, touchdown na. Andito na yung City Hardware. Dami pang bakanteng lupa dito sa Zamboanga City. Gusto ko makita yung kung dadaan to mismo sa bahay natin, Diyos, sa bahay ni Lolo. Malawag pa rin ang Zamboanga City. Hindi pa crowded ang place. Relatively peaceful na ngayon, unlike before. Maraming mga bad elements. So eto na. So you will hear the touchdown, no? Tingnan natin kung smooth. So from the north ang landing. Eto na, in 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, touchdown. Okay, yan ang touchdown. Very smooth touchdown. Yan daw ang pinakamahirap sa piloto, yung paano gawin yung smooth, yung walang rough ang paglapag ng gulong. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Zamboanga City.